Alright, so we have the grids in and the image here, and I want to center this guy. I have a couple of reference planes that locates the center of this particular file, so I want to center this guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to annotate, and I'm going to go to detail line, and I'm just going to draw a detail line from this corner all the way down to this corner. So it'll give me a midpoint center. Then I'm going to come in and I'm just going to grab everything kind of indiscriminately and go to my filter, and I'm going to get rid of everything but the raster image, the lines, and the grids. And I'm going to click OK, and then I'm just going to go to move, and I'm going to pick the midpoint of that detail line that I drew, and then I'm going to move it to the intersection of the reference planes that I have. This is not necessary. This is just for me to be able to have things centered. So once I do that, I can delete this, and then I'm going to move the floor plan to a different plan to the top of slab under the regular floor plans and put the foundation plan in here. It'll be easier for us to use that to build the foundation. It's not quite so dense. So I'm going to pick the image and I'm going to cut it. You can Control X if you want to. I'm going to go to my top of slab floor plan, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Modify, Paste, Align to Same Place. And it's going to paste it exactly where it was before. And I'm going to go back to my top of slab. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and I'm going to get the foundation plan, click Open, place it, and then I'm going to scale it. Right, so I'll come down here and we can use, what do we want to use to scale it? So this whole distance, right, is 80'6", so we'll use that. So I'll go to Scale, I'll come up here and pick the intersection of these lines as close as I can get it, right? And then come down here and pick right at the center of that line, and then I'm going to type in 80'6", and it's going to scale that thing, and it's there somewhere. And then I'm just going to pick it and move it into place, and all I want to do is really move it right from the corner of here to the corner intersection of my top two grids, right? So I'm just going to go to Move, I'm going to pick it from there, and then I'm going to move it to the intersection there, right? And that should place it, we should see it lining up, with all of our grids pretty evenly. Okay, so now that we've got all that done, we'll go in and take a look at the way the foundation is working and put the foundation in.